Welcome back to Rock Natural, and thank you for coming to my video today. If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you're not new, welcome back, and thank you for coming with me on this journey. So if you haven't guessed by the title that this video it's going to be about these twists, and then I have these cute accent braids on the side, and this style is perfect for the summer. I'm loving giving my hair a break. If you haven't seen my video on where I actually cut my hair, this is one of the things that I'm doing to enhance the growth process, is wearing like more protective style so that I'm not in it all the time. So if you haven't seen that video, I will link that video down below. I got this jumbo pack of hair from the hair store, and it has 10 bundles in it, and it was Vivica Fox, so I was like, let me try out this hair, and it feels really good. So I did this part of my hair off camera. I am parting my hair into squares, but when you see in the front, I have these two sections on the sides right above my ear, and these are going to be my accent sections. For the most part, my hair is parting into squares, but you'll see throughout the video that sometimes the parts aren't necessarily squares, and it's up to you how you want to part and create sections of your hair. So I am taking this part and putting it away. I decided to do the rubber band method because I tried to do no rubber band to one of the braids in the back of my, or twist in the back of my head, and it just did not come out how I hoped. It was not tight enough, and it's really hard to do that method, no rubber band method, on your hair. So I take this section and put it into a rubber band. I'm using this Kent 2 twist and lock gel. So the method I decided to use was wrap my hair around the rubber band, and then before adding my hair, I create a twist with the added hair, and then section my hair off into two sections and incorporate that into the twist. I just found that this was the most effective way for me, and it still looks clean, and I didn't want to do the 3 braid at the root, which is why I was like, I need to find another option, and I also wanted to cover up the rubber band. So another option would be to do a crochet. I couldn't find my crochet needle, but I just decided to do my one method throughout my whole head. So let me show you again how we're gonna do this. Create a section with a rubber band and wrap the hair around the rubber band, twist the extra hair twice, and then incorporate your hair into the twist. So what this does, like I said, is cover up the rubber band, and it still gives you a pretty nice look. Some came out really good, and then others came out so-so, but I was satisfied. So as far as twisting down, you want to twist the hair as you're twisting, if that makes sense. And this is just the easiest way to give the twist a clean, tight look. Like as you can see here, this twist looks pretty content, and I just continue to twist throughout the rest of this twist all the way to the end.
Show your ride, baby. I stay up to the morning.
I put the rest of my hair in rubber bands off camera just so I could finish this style. It was a little dry, so I'll be using just some water and then my As I Am leave-in conditioner. If you've been watching my other videos, you know that I love this stuff and I was using it for a long time. I'm kind of running out, so that's why the top isn't on. So I use this product and then I go ahead and seal it in with my Miel Organics oil. I love this stuff in the way it smells, and then the minty feeling is also great just for my hair and my scalp. So after I'm done moisturizing my hair, just because it's going into a protective style doesn't mean that I don't want it to be moisturized, which is why I'm doing this prep work. I'm going to be separating the ends. I'm going to show you how to separate the ends so you don't have that choppy look, and you just basically pull the hair, quote unquote, separate so that you don't have that choppy look at the end of your hair. So one more time, I take the hair and twist it a couple times, and then I go ahead and incorporate my hair into the two sections and twist it around.
I sleep when I'm dead. We can smoke out his roll one, but don't spill that weed in my bed. You're still here in the morning. I ain't saying you should leave, but I got shit to do. I got places to be. I got people to see. I seen your type before. Hey, I know you want some more. Look, you always do the most, think the worst. When I'm ghost, when I get back in my zone.
Now that all the twists are done, I was just so obsessed when I first saw how this looked. I pulled it back so that I was able to do my sides or my quote-unquote accent braid. So moisturize because it's probably dry. And then you want to just take a small section of hair. If you don't know how to braid, I do have a how to French braid tutorial on my channel, and so I started this off like this, and then I was trying to position my hands to braid, and I was like, oh, this feels weird, and so I had to stop and think about how I was going to do it, and then I started braiding. So you want to braid this towards the front of your head with the hair added, and then braid all the way to the ends.
Always do the most, think the worst. When I'm ghost, when I get back in my zone, play your role. Whoa. La 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 la.
To hold these braids down, I got these wooden beads from just like the dollar, or not the dollar store, the hair store, and you want to cut the ends of that braid to the length that you want, and you want to add the braids on. So they do have tools to put beads on, but I am just doing it old school because I obviously don't have a bead tool, and just twisting this hair and putting it through the hole. The hole's big enough to where it will put all the hair in. So I'm just twisting, sticking it in, and doing that until all the beads I want on. I decided to only go with 3 beads, and so once you get the 3rd bead on, you want to just wrap the hair over the bead, and then wrap the rubber band around your hair that's going over the bead, and this is how your beads will stay on. I ended up putting rubber bands on the ends of all of my braids just to keep it from falling down, but here is the finished look.
Check it out, baby. Too high, baby. Show your ride, baby. I stay up till the morning. I sleep when I'm dead. We can smoke out his roll.
But I really hope you enjoyed this video. The comment of the day is, do you prefer twist or do you prefer box braids? I also have a video on box braids, so I will also leave the link to that down below, and I will see you in my next upload. Oh wait, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel, and that's all. Toodles.